I was sent this Blitz V9 cordless vacuum cleaner from Vactidy and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here goes. This is a really versatile vacuum cleaner. You can use it in different configurations with the extension ones that are provided. It's got a digital display, LED light out the front of it, one button empty, really all kinds of nice features. Let's get it put together and put it to work. It'll just stand up all by itself. The LED light works really good. It's real flexible to get down under the bed, and the LED light really helps. The ultimate test is a house with a pet like this where he sheds a lot. So we'll use it on this carpet and see what we pick up. See, we already got a bunch of dog hair. It's spinning around in the chamber. Here's how the different modes work. You just first, to get it started, push the trigger. It'll activate the spinning head down there. And then you'll see the fan is on low speed here. 2 dots means I've got 2 out of 3 on full charge, so I'm at midway. But if I push this speed button one more time, then it rapidly increases the suction on the machine. I can just tap it again to slow it down. Overall, I'm really impressed with this vacuum. This Vactidy really does a great job to clean. It's easy to empty it out. I like the extra filters that it has for keeping the dust out of the house, and did a great job here with this rotating head to pull up all kinds of dog hair, and really effective. Overall, I would definitely recommend it.